All right, I had a few questions from people on Facebook about installing an air assist steering kit on an M35a2. And if you get an NOS kit with all the components, it's really simple. So underneath here, you're going to see a big air ram that's attached to a bracket, which actually is what the U-bolt's attached to, and you should get brand new U-bolts in the kit. So you put that on and it goes on the passenger side, and you're going to have to position the ram in the proper location. And then there's a clamp that attaches to the tie rod on the left-hand side. And you have 3 air hoses. The air hose you're looking at is supposed to be 100 inches long, and there's an air hose on the other side of the ram that's supposed to be 70 inches long. Those rams, or those air hoses, pardon me, go and run up over the fender, or not up over the frame, and attach here to the steering arm. Now, this one is the 100-inch hose, this one's the 70-inch, and this one gets run up inside the engine bay and runs up to the regulator up on the firewall. Now, the kit will tell you you can run and drill a hole and put it through the frame and run it up that way, but they give you enough hose to just run it up, and you'll get this little black box. I don't know if I can get an image of it, but the little box is supposed to control the amount of air. It's right there next to that fuel line. That little black box there you can see. And then that air hose runs up, and they give you another regulator that attaches into where that air governor is on the firewall. And you basically hook it all up, put some air tool in the line, and I didn't have to adjust anything. Literally turned it on and everything worked beautifully. Another thing you should consider doing is replacing the shocks. So as you see, I replaced the shocks, and Steel Soldiers had a lot of research done on this, and they found that Monroe 66605 is a very, it's the same length shock. It's a great replacement. The only difference is you have to go to a 1/2-inch nut instead of a, I think it's 3/8 or something else, but the hole fits, everything works. I used the original bushings and the original washer and just put everything back together. And so I'm hoping that this will help on front tire wear as well, and maybe give a little bit better cushion, because the original shocks, you could literally push them all the way up in and they would sit still. And I think the Monroe shocks were, I think, $43 a piece with free shipping. So I'll give a little update when I go to the Memorial Day parade and see if it makes any difference. But hope this helps. If you have any questions, just message me. Thank you.